What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Kickin from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page at the top edge of the mouth. Now you want to give the head a slight tilt down towards the right. So let's start on the top left. Just going to bend this down, go across, and then out. Let's add a curve along the side of the mouth, starting on the left, coming around, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to tuck the bottom edge of the mouth in behind. So on the left we're going to step up, curve down and in towards the middle. We're going to go all the way across and then bring that up on the right side. Let's add the tongue along the bottom. Starting on the left, go up and then down. Step back to create a fold, go up and down. Let's go all the way up towards the top and add a half circle for the beak. We're going to go up and bring that back down. Let's tuck the eyes in behind the beak, starting on the left, curve this out and then up, go over towards right and do the same thing. Now I want to leave a gap in the center of the beak, step over toward the left, let's draw the top of the eye. We're going to go up, round out the eye, and then bring that back down. Let's move over towards the right, curve this up and then out. Now I'm going to add the eyebrow. I'm going to go up and out, step back, curve the side of the eye, coming down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to this point and add a fold. Let's go to the center of the left eye and draw an oval, all the way around, and then back up. Now on the right side, we're going to pull this in. So starting on top of the beak, we go up and then in. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. We want to go around the pupils. And we'll also do the same thing inside the mouth. Now from here, we're going to draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on top of the mouth on the left side. We're going to add some fur. Go out and down. Let's bend that back in. I'm going to go around the corner of the mouth and down. And then bend that back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting on top, going around and down. Pull that in. Around the corner of the mouth and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and trace the mouth on the outside. All the way down towards the bottom, in towards the center, and then go up on the right side. Now let's draw the top half of the head. Starting on top of the cheek, and draw the brow, going up above the eye, bend that down. Let's curve that up above the right eye, bend that around, and then down. Now there's three large feathers on top of the head. Let's start on top of the left brow. Start by going up, round up the top, come down and out toward the left, round up the end, come in, and then bend that down. Now I want to add two layers going out towards the right. Let's start on top of the right brow, go all the way around, across, and then tuck that in on top, move out towards the side, go out, and then back in. Let's layer the left brow on top of the head. We're going to start up here, go up, across, and down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the left arm. We're going to start underneath the head, let's round up the shoulder, coming down and then over towards the elbow. Round up the elbow, go up, and then bend that out towards the right. Let's draw the forearm. We're going to go up, across, and then down. From the top of the arm, we're going to step down, round up the shoulder, come down on top of the forearm. Let's tuck the right arm in underneath from this point, come down towards the elbow, round this out, and go back up. Let's draw that start in between the chin and the arm. We're going to start up here with the first point, moving down towards the sides, go out, and then back in behind the arms. Now from this point, we're going to add that string going across and up underneath the head. Let's go to the back side of the arm. We're going to curve the body. We're going to go out and then bend that in towards the leg. Let's go underneath the right arm, round up the belly, and go across. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to bend the leg. We're going to go out and then down towards the heel. Let's round up the bottom of the foot, coming down and then forward. Let's layer 3 toes on the right side. We're going to start with the first one. We're just going to go up and across. Go back to this point, bend the toe, go up and across. Let's add one more toe. We're going to step back, bend this up, go across towards the ankle, bend the leg going up towards the body. Now let's draw the back leg. From this point, we're going to step down, come down towards the heel, round up the bottom of the foot. Let's bend the toe, coming in, and step up, add the last toe, up towards the ankle, and then bend the leg up in behind the belly. Let's separate the legs with a curve, starting on the left, and down and up, and the same thing on the right. Now on the left side of the body, we're going to add the tail. Let's start from the back, across and then up. Now we're going to add 3 feathers going across the bottom. We're just going to round this out, come in, out, and in, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw the Kickin chicken from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.